you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Spack Talk, and I do anything Disney. And what I thought to do today, I thought of modifying a couple of the Just Dance Disney songs. Sorry about that beep. This is my dishwasher. Brendan's not here, so I don't know how to turn it off. Fun story, we've been here for like over 2 years and I don't know how to work the dishwasher. I just don't like washing dishes, and if I do wash dishes, I'll wash them like manually. I feel like it's more work to wash a dish, put it in, and then take it out. I'd rather just like wash the dish then and be done. But yeah, that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is Just Dance. So we've been in quarantine for a while, and then I've been working at home since March. So right now it's May, so March, April, May, right? And I'm used to, or I was used to, a very like physical life because I tend to be on my feet for work. That's just the job I have. So about out of my 8 hours at work, probably about 7 of them I'm on my feet. And then every other day I would go to the gym and do like Zumba or Pilates or something. Like I used to have a very like active lifestyle, and ever since all of this started, obviously it's not as active. I'm at home, the gyms are closed, so I had to figure out a different way of like being active so I can continue eating my habits that are not good. I just couldn't give up chips. In other words, I can't give up chips, so I had to figure out what to do for my activity. And so what we did is we got Just Dance, and actually Just Dance was awesome enough to give everyone free Just Dance Unlimited for the month of April. And so I got really into it. I really like dancing, and so I got really into it. I started making playlists for workouts, so every day I have a different playlist that I dance to. So as soon as I wake up fairly early because Brendan has to wake up early for work. As soon as I wake up, I do an hour of Just Dance, and then I do like 10 minutes of Swork It, an app that gives you like little workouts. And that's like my routine. And it's been my routine all quarantine. So I just thought I would share that with you. So what I noticed in Just Dance is that they have Disney songs in there. So obviously the Frozen songs are in there. There's Coco, there's The Little Mermaid. There's a couple, I would say a good 7 or 8 songs that are Disney on Just Dance. But I noticed that none of them made it into my workout playlist because they are so slow. Like, which is fine. There's nothing wrong. Like, it's supposed to be a game. But again, I'm using it as a workout. So all of my playlists are songs that are very active and very fast, and you know, I try to make like shifts so I can go fast, slow down a little bit, kind of like if you ever taken the Zumba, similar to that. But the Disney songs just don't fit. The only way for me to use a Disney song is at the end of the workout as like my cool down, because I just feel like it just slows me down way too much. So what I did instead, because I still wanted to listen to the songs, is I modified it just a little bit so that I become a little bit more of a workout. So either I did a little more squat, most of them are more squats, or I added a hop or a jump or energy or whatever it may be. So I thought I would share 4 songs that I modified. Now obviously I can't use the actual song or music for copyright issues, so I'll put a song similar influenced by the movie, but obviously I'll put the title of what the song should be so you can imagine the song as I'm dancing. I'm not saying I'm an expert. It's just something I do to make it more of a workout for me. And if you're like me and you're doing Just Dance at home, or you have Just Dance and you didn't think of using it as a workout, then maybe you can start thinking of doing it as a workout or as like a way to stay active until we can figure this out. Here in Arizona, we're already at 100 degrees. So if you don't wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. to go outside, it is too hot to be outside. We were outside right now for about 10 minutes and it was just way too hot. So imagine being like that and doing exercise. It's just impossible. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the 4 songs. I hope you enjoy these modifications. I won't show the entire song for all of them, just because some repeat, but we'll see how it goes. All right, I hope you enjoy them. Let's get to it. Hi guys, okay, so I just did that, so I have a natural glow happening. It's called Sweat. It'll be in store soon. But what you think? Obviously it is tiring, but again, I'm trying to make it more of a workout than like I mean, it's still fun, but I'm trying to make it be my workout for the day. I hate the gym. Like, I had a gym membership, but it was for the classes. Like, I am not one to like go and use a machine by myself. I had a trainer for like a good 6 months. In college, it was a little bit cheaper. That was okay, but nothing entertains me as much as like dancing or being in the class where I have to look at someone and it like makes my time go faster, if that makes sense. I do hope you enjoyed it. I didn't do the entire song just because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't know. I don't know how it works. Obviously, I'm new here. But yeah, I just hope you liked it. It's just an idea, something to do. Some songs I don't have to modify as much, like Coco, just like the movie. It's perfect the way it is. And so I didn't have to modify it as much as the other songs. But if you notice, my modifications are just jumping. A lot of jumping. If there's like downtime, sometimes like Just Dance has like groups of 4 where you have to like wait your turn, just like that one. And if it's a group of 4, I feel like my like heart rate slows down because I'm waiting for the other characters to go. So in that time, I would suggest doing like just like, I don't know, it just depends on who you are. I have a hula hoop, so if it's a lot of time, I hula hoop. But obviously you have me do like jumping jacks and just like repeated squats or things like that, just to like fill in the time so that I don't want to get my heart down, if that makes sense. Obviously the songs by themselves are pretty good, but like the Frozen Into the Unknown is a little bit slow, and so is the Moana. I like the Frozen one as a end of playlist type of song because I do feel like I am stretching for the most part, and same with Moana. But Moana's like a weird rhythm that you can't really like stretch, you can't really work out, so it's just a bit of modification for that one. I do tend to do a lot of legs just because a lot of the songs on Just Dance is a lot of arms because you're literally holding the remote. So I try to incorporate more of my legs in there to get them walking. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this gave you ideas so that when you are playing around, dancing around, it's something to do. And I love dancing, I love Disney, so I figured why not combine them. But yeah, I think I am going to end the video here because I am feeling sweaty. Usually I do not work out in long sleeves, but I couldn't find my tank tops, my Disney tank tops. So I was like, you know what, I'll use a Spirit jersey. And then almost immediately I regretted it. But yeah, if you're like me and you're missing Disney, don't forget to subscribe. I am putting videos every day or every other day, like I said in some of my previous videos. I am taking summer classes and I am working over summer, so it's just busy, but I just love doing this. This is like my outlet until I can get to Disney. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment if you liked any of the dances or what you do as a workout at home. I would love ideas because, like I said, I've been doing this for 3 months. So, you know, some days I wake up and I'm like, oh, Just Dance again. But I don't know, it just, at least it's a routine and it keeps me going. Do you have any routines? Another routine I have is I do Duolingo every day for French. Yeah. Well, until next time, have a good day. Adios.